Hello there, welcome to the DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I will show you something you are going to like. I will show you how to search for any app downloader code on your FireStick device. What I mean is that on your FireStick device, if you want to search for a downloader code for any application, instead of going over to Google or YouTube or whatever searching for the code, in this video, I'll show you the steps you can follow to search for the code on your Fire TV device. So this is very easy and nice trick that you need to learn as a Fire Stick user, because if you know how to do this, you can search for the code for any application on your Fire TV device. This is very easy, so please make sure you watch the video right up to the end, and if you find it useful, please make sure you like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So that's it, let's get started. Now I just want to explain again what I mean. On your Fire TV device, I know you are looking for applications to install, or you want to install certain applications that are not always on your Fire TV device. And in this video, I will show you how to get downloader codes to these applications, and I will show you how to search for them on your Fire TV device. So this is why you should watch till the end. So please make sure you are following. Now on our Fire TV device, since at the end of the day we'll be installing applications, we have to make sure that our Fire TV device is going to allow us to install applications from unknown sources. So the first and very first step we need to do is to go over to our settings and make sure that our settings allow us to install applications from unknown sources. And the setting is under this option that says developer options. So we have to start by making sure this option is turned on. Now, if you don't have this option turned on, this is how to turn it on. Come back to this option that says about, click on it, and it's going to bring you to this option here. Now, on the name of your Fire Stick device, mine is Fire TV Stick 4K. On the name here, click on it 5 times until there is a pop-up below that says no need, you're already a developer. Once you see that pop-up, then you are good to go. The developer option is already turned on. What you have to do is to return over here, go over to the developer options, and in the apps from unknown sources, make sure this option is turned on. Once this option is turned on, it is going to allow you to install applications from unknown sources to your Fire TV device. So once that is done, we can return home and get started. So now just return home, and now we are here. Since we're talking about downloader codes, we need a download application to our Fire TV device. This is very easy. Just go over to the search option or the find option, and in the box here you can type in downloader, or just simply type in D, and you're going to get a suggestion to get the download application. So here's a suggestion. It's going to bring you here. Click on the downloader app here, and you can go ahead and install it to your Fire TV device. So here's the application. It says it's compatible with my device. So what I'll do, I'll install it, or I'll just click on install, and application is going to quickly install my Fire TV device. So just give it a second or two, and the application will install depending on your internet speed. So here's the application is installing. Once it's done installing, what you have to do is just go ahead and launch it to our Fire Stick device. Now allow this, also click OK, and here's it. Now if you don't know how downloader works, it is simple. What you have to do to work downloader is just type in a code over here and then search. It can be a code to install an application, or a code to go to a website, or a code to go to a particular URL. So that's how this works. Just go over here and type in a code. And just like for example, we are going to type in a code that's going to take us to this site. Now I just want to remind you why we are here. What I've said is that I want to show you how you can, on your Fire TV device, search for any app downloader code. It's not searching for any app, but searching for the downloader code for any application on your Fire TV device, and they can use that code to install the application on your Fire TV device. This is something I find very useful, and I hope you are going to find it useful too. So now what do you do once you're here? Once you're here, please type in this code. It is a simple code, and please follow attentively. The code is 57412. So here's the code we need to go over to this site that's going to help us to search for a downloader code for any application. So go over here and type in the code I just typed in, and then go ahead and launch. Now as you launch, it's going to bring you to a website called idemitic.co.uk. Now I want to start by saying that I am not the owner of this site. I'm not the creator of this site. I'm not in the team that created this site. So if you are viewing this site, anything you do on this site, you are responsible for it, and all the credits go over to the owner of this site. Now this is a site we have a question, and before I show you how to use this site, I just want to give you a caution, please. On Android, on Fire TV device or Android TV device, I cannot guarantee you the internet safety. So please, it's up to you to stay safe on the internet. Now, how can you stay safe on the internet? You can stay safe on the internet by using a VPN. Now, the internet, there are lots of scammers, phishers, and people who can steal your information on the internet. Now, also, there are some limitations that can come across, like location that will block you from using certain applications or certain sites. So, when you're using a VPN, it's going to help you to stay safe on the internet and also unlock certain limitations like that. That's why we will always recommend you to use a VPN. In the description of this video, I've added a VPN suggestion that I would recommend you to use on your Fire TV device while browsing like this. Just check it out. It is very, very good. And you're going to get a discount if you click the link in the description. So please follow attentively and get a discount, get a VPN, and then come back here before you use the site. Now, once you're here, here's how the site works. It says downloader codes in a flash. Type the APK name and press enter for a list of working downloader codes. So what this means is that you come out to this application and in this box over here, you type in the name of the APK of whatever application you're looking for. It is going to provide you with downloader codes for that application. Now let's give it a try. For instance, if I come over here and I'm looking for the VLC app, I love using VLC in my example because it is easy to type. So you come here looking for VLC APK. What you have to do is just type in VLC and then you search. Now once you search, this is what is going to happen. This is going to show you downloader codes that you can use to install the VLC application to your FireStick device. As you can see, here are different downloader codes over here with different versions of VLC. Now, I just want to start by saying that this doesn't mean that all these downloader codes are going to work on your Fire TV device, but at least one of them is going to work on your Fire TV device. Now, I'm not saying there's only one that's going to work, just at least. So there are going to be lots of other downloader codes that are going to work on your Fire TV device. Now, there is another thing you could also do. You can filter out. You can filter out codes that are only 60 days old or less. So it means all the codes that are showing here are codes that were created in the last 60 days or in the last 2 months. Now I can come over to something higher, like 180 days, and then this is going to show codes that are created in the last 180 days or less. I can choose to show all. So this is going to show codes that are all created in these applications. Now, why I prefer this is because once you choose this option, it's going to show you codes that are at least updated. So you can install some of these applications knowing that they are updated to your Fire TV device. So that's what you have to know while installing applications from here. So now what do you do? There are two options here. The first thing is you can come over here and copy the code and then you return to downloader and type in the code to install the application. We can just simply click on download now and it's going to lead you to installing the application to your Fire TV device. Now let's try it again with another application. Now let's say for instance you're looking for the Netflix app. Just go over here and type in Netflix. Netflix. So you type Netflix here. Now I just want to say what you have to know is that while typing in the name of application here, make sure you type in the right name of the application. Because if you type in the wrong name of the application, you are going to get downloader codes to the wrong application. So please type in the right name. So when you search, like for instance, in this case, you are going to get downloader codes like this. Now just choose the one you want to use and click on it. Like for instance, if I come over to this option here and I want to use this downloader code here, I can just go over here and click download now and it will bring me to the page to download the application. That's it about my video. I'm going to stop here. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.